Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll find this lever that will pull. That'll release the safety up front. And then double check this cable is connected here. If it's not, then you'll need to address that. But up front, you should see the hood slightly loose now. Stick your fingers in, and there's a lever here, so we're going to push the lever and lift. So push and lift, and it's got a hydraulic here that holds the hood up. This is what that lever looked like. Let's double check nothing's bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. This is really sticking a lot. Maybe spray some WD-40 to kind of help loosen it. There's what it was hooked onto. Double check nothing's bent to make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues too. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.